How to turn on or turn off camera picture softening on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then tap on the quick controls button. After that, tap on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down, then tap on camera assistant. Then in here, tap on picture softening. From here, you can set it to off, medium, or high. So if you want to turn it on, select medium or high, or if you want to switch it off, then select off. And that's it. Now the picture softening is a feature on the Galaxy S25 series. It reduces the sharpness of photos, resulting in a smoother and more natural appearance. This is particularly useful for minimizing overly sharp details or noise in images. By adjusting these settings, you can control the level of softening applied to your photos, tailoring them to your personal preference. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.